Good morning. It's a beautiful day. I think it's still early, still dark outside, but it feels like a beautiful day. Today, I'm going to read to you a book that I wrote and illustrated. Mommas Dream Too by me, Dorothy Urbanek. Mommas Dream Too, Dorothy Urbanek. To dreamers, believers, we seekers of truth. If you were me and I were you, would your eyes be brown or would they be blue? Would my hair be curly and your waves be straight? Would you arrive early and I come in late? Would I like to sing and you like to dance? Would you be more cautious? Would I take the chance? Would I feel happy when you had the smile? Would we share the pain of a hurt once in a while? Would I feel your sadness when you long to be held tight? Would my heart ache knowing something was not right? Would you wake up startled from a bad dream I'm in? Would you call my name and I'd be at peace again? Would you calm my fears from your place over there? Would I hear the sweet thoughts that you send through the air? Would we understand what the others are feeling? Because if we traded places, there would be a great healing. If I could be him and you could be her, we'd understand living. Because we'd know how we were. We know what he needs. We know why she cries. And we could give comfort without judgment and wise. You be that one, and I will be this, and he will be her, and no one be missed. There'd be no attacking another, because we know how it feels. No one would destroy someone. We'd want only what heals. Imagine trading places to learn what each knows, that there is no need for foul words and low blows. Let's remember it's love and kindness and caring, hands made to help, hearts meant for sharing. Let's build that world that's been only a dream. Let's make it happen, all on the same team. Give us a chance to trust in our souls. Look way inside. Find that each of us knows, and energy connects. Your heart with mine and my heart with his, and so down the line. Then it all comes around. So we are back to you. We fuel the world's heartbeat with love, with life too. We are all the same, him, her, you, and me, with a longing to feel safe, in peace and harmony. With love is harmony. With harmony is peace. Mommas Dream Too.